You know the English words, but they feel stuck in your mouth. You need to build muscle memory. That's what we will do today. Listen to each sentence 2 times. First normal, then slow. After the slow version, it's your turn to speak. Say it out loud. Let's begin. Hello. A coffee, please. Hello. A coffee, please. Hello. A coffee, please. I'd like a tea, please. I'd like a tea, please. I'd like a tea, please. A large latte, please. A large latte, please. A large latte, please. Could I have a small cappuccino? Could I have a small cappuccino? Could I have a small cappuccino? I'd like a hot chocolate with milk. I'd like a hot chocolate with milk. I'd like a hot chocolate with milk. Could I have a cup of hot water, please? Could I have a cup of hot water, please? Could I have a cup of hot water, please? For here or to go? For here or to go? For here or to go? To go, please. To go, please. To go, please. Do you have any snacks? Do you have any snacks? Do you have any snacks? A croissant, please. A croissant, please. A croissant, please. I'd like a slice of cake. I'd like a slice of cake. I'd like a slice of cake. Could I have a slice of the chocolate cake? Could I have a slice of the chocolate cake? Could I have a slice of the chocolate cake? Is that sandwich good? Is that sandwich good? Is that sandwich good? Anything else for you? Anything else for you? Anything else for you? No, that's everything. No, that's everything. No, that's everything. Sorry, can I change my order? Sorry, can I change my order? Sorry, can I change my order? Actually, I'd like a small coffee. Actually, I'd like a small coffee. Actually, I'd like a small coffee. Could I change that to a large, please? Could I change that to a large, please? Could I change that to a large, please? Can I have that to go, not for here? Can I have that to go, not for here? Can I have that to go, not for here? Excuse me, where's the bathroom? Excuse me, where is the bathroom? Excuse me, where's the bathroom? Do you have Wi-Fi here? Do you have Wi-Fi here? Do you have Wi-Fi here? What's the Wi-Fi password? What's the Wi-Fi password? What's the Wi-Fi password? Could I have some sugar, please? Could I have some sugar, please? Could I have some sugar, please? I'd like to pay now. I'd like to pay now. I'd like to pay now. We'd like to pay separately. We'd like to pay separately. We'd like to pay separately. Do you take card? Do you take card? Do you take card? Can I pay with my phone? Can I pay with my phone? Can I pay with my phone? Here you are. Here you are. Here you are. Keep the change. Keep the change. Keep the change. I'd like a medium coffee and a slice of cake, please. I'd like a medium coffee and a slice of cake, please. Could I have that to go, please? Could I have that to go, please? Sorry, what's the Wi-Fi password again? Sorry, what's the Wi-Fi password again? Is it okay if I pay by card? Is it okay if I pay by card? No, that's all for me. Thank you. No, that's all for me. Thank you. Time for the fireside challenge. Today's challenge is simple. Say sentence number 28 one more time, out loud. What's the Wi-Fi password? Then, go to the comments and write Day 2 done. You are building a great habit. Excellent work today. Hey, every sentence you say makes your English stronger. See you tomorrow for Day 3.